a parallel plate capacitor is charged and then isolated. Okay. Now what is meaning of then isolated? See. Suppose you connect a capacitor, this is question 1. Suppose you connect a capacitor with a battery. So it will get charged. Line by the get charge. Is that okay? It will have 0 charge. Then when you connect it to battery, it will get charged. So let's say now it stores the charge plus Q and minus Q on the plate. Fine. Charge stored is Q. Then it says that it is isolated afterwards. Isolated means separated from this. Isolated means separated. So this is a very useful point here. Then, do you realize this charge cannot go anywhere? Why so? Look at this closely. Plus positive charge is on this plate. The negative charge is on this plate. Then do you realize that these two charges will attract each other and they will not let each other go away? Clear?
Yes.
So once you remove the battery after charging the capacitor, this part of the system becomes, this part becomes isolated. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's not touching anywhere. Wire. This is dead. Right? The wire isn't going anywhere. This is plate. Positive charge on plate. So where can this charge go? You might be thinking it will go in the wire. Possible. You will think. But there is a negative charge here which will attract it. It will not let it go. So ultimately, what is the lesson for us? Please remember this. If a capacitor is isolated, its charge stored remains constant. Isolated no meaning to that. Removed from everything. Okay, not connected. Clear? Once a capacitor becomes isolated, its charge stored remains constant. Concept is clear?
Yes.
Sure. So on very the game constant rate. Because this plus Q charge cannot go anywhere, यहाँ तो कहीं change नहीं है, तो काटने को. If minus Q charge cannot go anywhere, they will attract each other. They will remain where they are. But if okay, right. So this is a very useful thing. So what will happen then? On increasing the plate separation. So suppose by using some wooden or insulating handle, and it touch no karaye, and it touch karo to charge તમારા body માં પડે. Right? So by using some wooden handle or somehow, suppose there is a wooden handle, we pull this apart. એટલે આ બે વચ્ચેનો distance શું થાય? The distance will increase. Is that clear or not clear? Sure. Understood what we are doing? Absolutely clear. હવે કરવાનું છે. In that case, what will happen? Charge will remain constant. Get to the fix it. Got it? Everyone? Okay. Chalo, bachi. What will happen to capacitance? Any for our C. What's the formula of C for our parallel plate capacitor? Epsilon 0. Okay. So D will increase. So C will decrease. Okay or not okay? Sure. Bachi biju. If C will decrease and Q is constant, yes or no? C will decrease because D will increase. So C will decrease, Q is constant. What do you think happens to V? What do you think will happen to V? Increase. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or not clear?
Yes.
Q constant. So based on the relation Q is equal to CV here, Q is constant, not C. Q is constant. Is that clear? Q constant, so we can say V is inversely proportional to C. Did you understand?
Yes.
Sure. Everyone got there? So that is as you pull the plates apart, capacitance will decrease. So potential difference, voltage will increase. Someone's pretty going. Sure. So which option? Charge constant, capacitance will decrease and potential difference, actually voltage लखुजे, potential no लखुजे, voltage or potential difference will increase. Clear? Okay, another variation of this pattern. Suppose we connect it with a battery of, let's say, 12 volt. Okay, and we charge this capacitor. Right? Suppose initially distance is d. Okay, we let it. Now we use an insulating handle and pull this apart, so that finally now the distance between the plates becomes 2. So our case must. What's the difference between this and this? Here first battery is removed. Yes or no? Yes. Battery is removed, so capacitor becomes isolated. Here, over there, battery is not removed, and you start increasing distance. What do you think? Capacitance में सुधर increase or decrease or no change? Decrease. Capacitance will decrease. Who says that? Decrease. Why decrease? Distance will increase. Yes or no? Yes. Again, capacitance does not depend on charge or on voltage. Is that clear? That's a fact. If distance increase है क्यों नहीं? तो capacitance decrease. Got it? Sure. So that's for sure. चलो. अच्छा कितनी sure? Charge constant. Why? Okay, no. Let's say that this is a point A and point B, and here is point X and Y. So what is Vx minus Vy in initial case 12? Yes or no? Yes. Once ready. What is Vx minus Vy here? 12 of the same? Yes. Yes, very good. 12. Clear? Why? Because there are same points over there at the battery. Clear? Yes. Okay. Now, A is here, B is here. So, is there any relation between X and A's potential? Yes. What? Both are equal. Do you remember Vx is equal to Va? Yes or no? Yes. Why? Why? Same wire. They are connected by the same metal. Okay, or same wire. Got it? Same conductor. Similarly, Vy is equal to Vb. अच्छा, यहाँ आवश्यक तो आप इनो difference 12 volt. Okay, so capacitor voltage is 12 volt. Over here. So उसमें same. When battery remains connected to a capacitor, what will remain constant? What will remain constant? Voltage will remain constant. आना की opposite sentence है ना, बराबर है? एनो समझ पड़ी? Capacitor is isolated, charge remains constant. And when a battery remains connected, then voltage will remain okay, right? Fine. So આ કેસમાં શું? Potential difference 12 volt. Capacitance half થઈ જશે ને, D into 2D કરો. Capacitance half. So charge twice to say. Q equal to CV. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, here which quantity is constant? V is constant. Very good. V constant. So C half. Charge to that. Half. Clear or not? Sure? एकदम easy હતું ને? Q proportional to C આવશે because V does not change. So if C is half, Q will also be half. Clear? Okay. Now, let's go over to the next thing. એટલે આવી ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન ને ઓલા સેન્ટેન્સ બેઝ તમારે સેન્ટેન્સ લખો છે લખી for the remote possibility that someone is watching. So if battery remains connected to a capacitor, its voltage remains capacitor voltage remains constant. Okay. Capacitor voltage remains ફાઇન. હવે ગમે તે ક્વેશ્ચન આવે છે તો આવડી જશે ને. સેકન્ડ, a parallel plate capacitor C of capacitance C is shown. A thin metal plate A is placed between the plates of the given capacitor in such a way that its edges touch the plates as shown. Then the capacity across P and Q now becomes capacity is another word for capacitance. Capacity and capacitance are synonyms in this context only. બરાબર. બાકી capacity of વેસલ હોય ને, યાદ છે ને, કેપેસિટી ઓફ વેસલ મીન્સ ધ વોલ્યુમ. એની જગ્યાએ કેપેસિટન્સ ન કહેવાય, રાઈટ? 1 લિટર કેપેસિટન્સની તપેલી આપો એવું ન કહેવાય. ઇઝ ધેટ ક્લિયર? ઓકે, સો લેટ્સ કન્ટિન્યુ. સો વી હેવ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ કેપેસિટન્સ. ઇન્ફિનિટી કે ઝીરો? ઇન્ફિનિટી. કે રીતે ઝીરો અને કે રીતે ઇન્ફિનિટી? એપ્સિલોન a by d ઝીરો. એપ્સિલોન a by d. પણ આ ક્યાં પેરેલલ પ્લેટ કેપેસિટર છે? વચ્ચે તો એક પ્લેટ આ માટી થઈ ગઈ, તો એને પેરેલલ પ્લેટ કેપેસિટર કહેવાય. C equal to Q by V. તો 0 કે ઇન્ફિનિટી?
એક કેપેસિટર વચ્ચે એક મીડિયમ છે, મેટલ પ્લેટ છે, કંડક્ટર થઈ જશે ને, તો એ કેપેસિટર.
Is that okay or not okay? This is not a capacitor. Okay, this is not a capacitor. Why is it not a capacitor? Because for a capacitor, it is necessary that the two conductors are separated by insulator. So આમાં શું કહ્યું? એક પ્લેટ આમ ટચ કરાવી દો બે બાજુ, and also metal plate. So અહીંયા ચાર્જ સ્ટોર થાય જ નહીં ને, because all that charge and all this charge will flow and neutralize each other. Did you understand? Yes. Or not clear? Sure. આવું એવું પૂછી શકે that instead of these two, suppose a wire is connected. Same problem. Got it? Sure. Spark, like spark. Okay, when this would happen, if it is charged already, right? Okay, let's go to question 3. There are two conducting spheres of radius a and b is greater than, okay, carrying equal and opposite charges, okay, and they are placed at a separation d which is much greater than a and b. Understood what that means? That is, they are quite far from each other, and basically you can assume them to be like point charges if you want. Okay, the radius is not that big compared to the distance, so they are small. Okay, the capacitance of the system is, how do you find the capacitance of any given system? C equal to Q by V. Plan yaad ayo? You should do that plan. Yes or no? Sure. Okay, let's say A, કોઈ પણ એકને પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ આપી દો, બીજાને નેગેટિવ, રાઈટ? So suppose the smaller one, એનું રેડિયસ A છે ને, so let's say this has plus Q. It's the bigger one, let's say it has minus Q charge, its radius is D. Distance D ક્યાં દે? Center to center. So it doesn't matter much. Okay. Right, now let's solve this question. Find the value V. V stands for what? Potential difference between positive conductor and negative conductor. એટલે આ point પર suppose અહીંયા 1 ગયો, અહીંયા 2. So we want to find V1 minus V2. Okay? Sure? Right. Charges are already assumed for us, એટલે આપણે એ તો કંઈ કરવું નહીં પડે. We just find voltage. Okay, એક step તો કરી નાખો આપણો પ્લાન. Yeah. Potential at this point will be created by what? By the positive charge. કે નહીં? ભૂલી ન જતા. At this point potential will be created by which charges? Positive and બે કે નહીં? બે જ હોય ને, superposition principle. Every charge will create potential. Clear or not clear? ભૂલાવા માંડ્યું છે, પછી તો એક્ઝામ બાકી છે. So V1 due to positive plus V1 due to negative. પછી એ રીતે V2 માં શું આવશે? V2 due to positive and V2 due to negative. બરાબર? આ બધું મૂકવાનું. ચલો. Potential at this point due to the positive charge. આ shell છે ને, potential due to shell on the surface શું આવશે? a q by a radius આવે, બરાબર ને? Clear or not? Okay, plus now potential at this point due to the negative charge. It's a shell. Okay, this point, is it inside the shell or outside the shell? Formula શું છે? a q by r. What is r? Distance from the center. So શું લખું? Raise your hand. What should I do? Raise your hand. Just apply it. You will be able to do it. Okay. Yes, Aditya. A minus q upon d. Who agrees? D. Who agrees? Right? Yes or no? Yes or no? B આવશે? No આવે B. Small r है ना? The distance from center to this point. D minus a લખવું છે? D minus a કોણ કહે છે? તો એ આ બાજુ પોઈન્ટ લો તો એમ તો અહીંયા પોઈન્ટ લખો તો અંડર રૂટ d સ્ક્વેર પ્લસ a સ્ક્વેર એવું it is right. If you write d minus a, d plus a is very small compared to d. Yes or no?
Yes.
Some tension. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Or ready the pakku? You know or ready? Minus over here. What do we have? Minus V2 due to the positive. So I say A Q by D. Clear?
Yes.
Clear or not clear?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
And then the last part plus A minus Q by B. Understood? करो simplify करो then V मળી જાય. Then try to find out C. Come on, hurry up. अब क्वेश्चन को બીજા દેખાડતું તો લે આમાં કેપેસિટન્સ આવે કેવી રીતે કેપેસિટન્સ આવે તો બે પ્લેટ જ નથી options કેવા ફોર્મમાં this is V the unit rule is V now we want to find C equal to Q by ખાલી क्या होता है આમ જ બ્રેકેટ તો ડિનોમિનેટર hurry up come on everyone done. What's the answer? B or D? Who gets D? Fourth one. Who gets B? Second one. Okay. 2 by D આવશે ને અહીંયા આ 1 by D -1 by D -1 by D એવું થશે ને so we get -2 by D. Clear? Fine. Now that's it, at least for the time being as far as the assignment is concerned. મૂકી દો હવે we teach you about energy stored in a capacitor. And if you remember at start I told you that capacitor stores charge, and so that's why it can store energy also. Energy stored in a capacitor. Okay. Now to understand how energy is stored in a capacitor, we'll have to understand what happens exactly when you just connect a battery. Okay, let's say there is a switch or something. Okay, switch is not necessary to understand the topic. I'm just drawing it here so I can explain it, or I can just talk about it easily. So let's say you bought a capacitor from market. It is uncharged. Uncharged, that is, has no charge. You are going to connect it with a V voltmeter. Okay, this is this capacitor. And this switch is open. Open means connection is not made. A current flow does that. What if the moment you will connect this capacitor, right? Charge will start to flow. Right? Current will flow actually. For a short time, current will flow. Right? And this capacitor will get charged. How exactly? Is that electrons will come out from this negative terminal and they will go here and here. So they will start settling here. So this will have a negative charge. Understood? Yes or no? And similarly, electrons will come out from this plate and they will go here. So that's how the whole cycle is complete. Except for this part. બરાબર ને અહીંયા ફ્લો નહીં થાય આપણી વચ્ચે, because what's there between the two plates? Understood? So it's basically that electrons will just go from here to there. So this plate will lose charge, so it will get lose electrons, so it will become positive, and that will gain electrons, so it will become negative. This is what happens. But you see, this process, although quite fast, process typically takes only a millisecond or about that. Okay, but it does take time. So while this process is going on, we are going to understand what happens. Right? Let's put it. Let at any time t charge on capacitor B Q. Let at any time t charge on capacitor B. Okay, what that means is already these plates right now they are storing charge Q and minus. Okay, right? So you can say therefore at this time potential difference between plates is not same as this B actually, because over here कहीं लंबो है छोड़ दो आगे बढ़ के okay is V equal to small q by c. Did you understand? Okay. How do you find voltage or potential difference between plates? Q by c. Yes or no? C is equal to q by V, so V is equal to q by c. Clear? Sure? Okay. Now we will consider that what will happen if some more charge is to be deposited. Deposited means stored. I repeat what I said. If some more charge is to be stored on this plate, let's say I want to add the charge and make it q plus d. Okay, I'm just writing this for your understanding. We want to make it q plus d. Okay, so let's write it properly. So to store an additional charge dq. Now, what does that mean? Charge is already q and we want to add that. We want to increase that little bit by how much? dq. Okay, you can additional infinite symbol લખો તો સારું. તમારે એક્ઝામમાં લખવાનું છે. To store an additional infinite symbol charge dq. Now, the work required to be done against electric field is again considering that overall the charges are moving slowly only, not that fast, is dw external. Okay, dw external is equal to dq into v. This might not be very clear at the start. Let me explain. We have said w external when you are moving the charge slowly is going to be delta u or q delta v. Yes or no? When q is the charge that you are moving. So here, what is going on is that this already has a charge plus q and minus. Now, an extra charge dq wants to go from here to here. અહીંથી આમ જાય ને એટલે અહીંયા q હતો એમાં પ્લસ dq થઈ જાય અને અહીંયા માઈનસ q હતો એમાં માઈનસ dq થઈ જાય. Make sense? Yes or no? It's like if you have got plus 10 minus 10. હવે 1 આમથી આમ જાય તો અહીંયા શું થાય 10 plus 1 અને અહીંયા શું થાય minus 10 minus 1. Did you understand? So if you want to send a charge dq through this over here, then the work required to be done would be dq. Q ની જગ્યાએ શું લખ્યું? Why? Because what charge are we moving? Are we moving q charge? No. We are moving dq. Is that clear? And delta V stands for what? Potential difference. અહીંથી આમ જવાનું. So what's the potential difference between this and this? V. V છે ને? લખ્યું છે ને potential difference between plates. Between negative and obviously that positive minus negative. Clear? Okay, so this is the equation. But what is V? By C. Okay or not? So this is the small external work required to be done. Now you know, obviously, અહીંયા લખ્યું હતું એવી જ રીતે લખી શકાય ને. This external work done by the battery. Actually, this external work is done by the battery. એવું કે ખબર પડે. Simple idea. Battery નો લગાડો તો ચાર્જ અપલો થાય. Will the charge increase? No. So it means who is responsible for storing the charge on capacitor? Understood? Sure. So external work done, which is of course by the battery, is stored as potential energy of the charges of the capacitor. આ શું સેન્ટેન્સ લખો ખબર છે? હા, external work done is stored as the increase in potential. સમજ પડી કે ન સમજ પડી? Whatever work you do opposite to some field, એટલે અહીંથી ઉપર લે, that means I am doing work on the duster, so I am doing external work that is used to increase the potential energy if I am doing it slowly. That's the whole idea. Is it clear? So આની જગ્યાએ du લખાય ને? du for what? Therefore increase in potential energy is du equal to dw external, which is equal to q by c into dq. Okay or not okay? So if you transfer a charge dq, the energy increases by this much. If you transfer a charge dq, the energy will increase by that much. Clear? Okay. So if you transfer all the way from 0 to capital Q, પહેલા તો 0 charge હશે, ધીરે ધીરે ચાર્જ આમ જઈ જઈને ચાર્જ increase થશે. So ultimately what will be the final charge? Suppose capital Q. Then we can find out how much is the increase in potential energy. Therefore, to charge the capacitor from 0 to Q charge, to charge the capacitor from 0 to Q charge, or you can say to deposit a charge Q on the capacitor. to store a charge capital Q on capacitor. એવું લખાય ને, to store a charge capital Q on capacitor. We need U, or rather delta U લખો તો વાંધો નહીં, is equal to integration of du, that is Q by C dq. Is it fine? I'm integrating. So du will integrate to delta U. Okay, from charge 0, did you understand? From charge 0 to capital Q. હવે શું કરવાનું? Integration કરવાનું ને, C outside constant. Okay, integration Q dq is Q squared by 2. Clear or not? Sure. Delta U ની જગ્યાએ શું લખાય? Final minus initial. But initial તો 0 કહી શકાય because initially it was not charged. Okay, initially it was not charged. એટલે uncharged energy 0 લઈ લેવાનું. So U minus 0 is equal to Q square by 2C, but with limits 0 to capital Q. And ultimately U is equal to Q squared by 2C. Okay, here 0 came like the initial potential energy is 0 when charge stored is 0. Okay, or when no charge is stored. You will have to U equal to 0 when Q equal to 0. बराबर ने, U equal to 0 when Q equal to 0. આ સમજાણું? Q નું integration Q square by 2 થઈ ગયું. C એમ નેમ છે અને લિમિટ્સ મૂકો Q square minus 0 square તો Q square હોય. Got there? This is the formula of what? Energy stored in a capacitor. When charge stored is capital Q, 2 is the grade number 2 and C is capacitor. Understood or not clear? Fine. આના બીજા ફોર્મ્સ છે. How? If you put Q equal to CV, કરો બીજા ફોર્મ્સ કર. If you put Q equal to CV, કરો કર. This would make it half CV square. Yes or no? Sure? Clear or not clear? હવે બીજું કરો. અહીંયા C ની જગ્યાએ Q by V લખો. તો શું આવે? અહીં C ની જગ્યાએ Q by V. Half Q. Clear? Yes, no? Yes. So આ થઈ ગઈ formula of what? Energy stored in capacitor. Energy stored in capacitor. Got that? Sure? Or not sure? Terms? Terms are ignored. Q is the charge load, C is the capacitance, V is the voltage of the capacitor. Okay, not voltage of battery. Voltage of the capacitor. Okay, are they not same? Not always. હમણાં સિરીઝમાં લગાડ્યા હોત તો બે બરાબર ને, એટલે V is not voltage of battery, V is the voltage of capacitor. લખી નાખો સર. તો કોઈ એમ પૂછે કે એનર્જી સ્ટોર્ડ ઇન કેપેસિટર ઇઝ પ્રોપોર્શનલ ટુ inversely proportional to C or directly proportional to C or not proportional to C. સમજાણો? નહીં. એટલે ઉતાવળ નહીં કરવાની. Based on what is constant, this behavior will change. Right? કોઈ એમ પૂછે કે if we increase capacitance of a system, will energy stored increase? કંઈ કહેવાય નહીં. ના, મોઢું જ નહીં ખોલવાનું. Okay? I don't know. એવું કહેવાનું. Got it? If charge stored is constant, then energy will decrease even if capacitance will increase. એના બદલે if voltage is constant, then if capacitance will increase, energy stored will increase. Is that clear? Sure? अच्छा, એવું પૂછે તો if a capacitor stores more charge, will it have more potential energy? Yes or no? If a capacitor stores more charge, will it have more potential energy? Yes or no? No, wrong. Not, cannot be said. Anything cannot be said. આમ હોય તો આ કેસ યુઝ કરવાનો આવે તો C અને V કેવું થાય જ નહીં. થાય કે ન થાય? Is it possible that two capacitors are there and one stores more charge? Then it has less energy. Is possible છે? છે કે નથી? If there are two capacitors, one stores more charge, then is it possible that the one that is storing more charge has less potential energy or less energy? Possible or not possible?
ચાર્જ ઇક્વલ હોવું જોઈએ ને તો થાય ને એક વધારે સ્ટોર કરે કે
હું તો કેસ કહું છું. If there is a case where we take two capacitors, one is storing, let's say 2 microcoulomb charge, the other is storing 1 microcoulomb charge, then can you say that the energy of the one storing more charge is also more? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? No. એવું ન થાય તો કોની વધુ થાય? It depends. આની પર depend કરે. Is that okay? Clear or not? It will depend. So be careful with that. Okay? Right. So that's about energy. But just one thing before we wind up this topic about energy. Although, listen to this carefully. Although the energy stored by capacitor is this much, but if we find the work done by battery, okay, before it goes loose, okay, work done by battery, how much is the work done by the battery? See, do you realize that battery is actually responsible to move the charge? So if it moves a charge Q, total charge Q, right? And what voltage will battery be supplying? It will be supplying V. Then the work done by the battery would be W equal to Q into. Is that clear? The work done by the battery will be W equal to Q into V. How the 10th may out to the relation that V is equal to W by Q or something. Do you remember? क्या ही है? Work done by the battery is Q into V. It's also very easy to understand like this. External work done on system is equal to Q delta V. Yes or no? If charges are moving slowly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
अच्छा, तो कोई charge आमથી આમ flow થાય. So it's going from low potential to higher potential. So how much is the potential difference? V. આપણે આ topic બધે V લખી. Is that okay?
Yes.
Sure. And how much charge is moving? धीरे धीरे dq થઈને કેટલો charge moves? Q. How much is the work done? Q. Did you understand? Q and delta V. But delta V is V. Got it? આ formula યાદ રાખજો. આગળના chapter માં આવશે બધું. Work done by battery is Q. Work done by battery is Q. Do you see some mismatch? आजो ये देखा है good. So battery did how much work? QV. This took how much energy? बाकी की क्या गई? It will be lost. Stored तो आते बराबर है. Half QV is stored. Where is the remaining? The remaining is lost. Is that clear? You might be thinking, why is it lost? क्या lost है? The truth is that it's not so simple. When we take it slowly, આ બધું શું assume કરીને derive કર્યું છે? Charges are moving slowly. That's not true. If charges were moving slowly, it would take infinite time to charge your capacitor. समझ पड़े? समझ पड़े? If charges were flowing slowly without energy, without kinetic energy. So that's not true really. So what is happening is that the rest of the energy is getting lost. In what process? પહેલા ચાર્જ ની સ્પીડ વધારો. પછી અહીંયા તો બ્રેક એ મારવાની ને. Yes or no? You understand what I'm saying? Right? So ultimately it has to be stored here. Yes or no? So while it moves, while the charges move, there are some processes which cause loss of energy. Resistance is one of them. Resistance, yaad chhe, resistance is something that causes energy loss. Okay? Okay, what was the 10th mark? Right? So because of that, some energy will be lost. That is in fact half of it. Now, yaad rehse? Okay? Fine. Alright. Take your textbook out. Sum karna check pe. Energy stored by capacitor na sum karwana છે. ઈ નો આવડે. કઈ બેઝિક હોય તો અહીંયાથી ચાલુ કરીને. Yes. Number 10. Okay, hurry up, come on. Time is just enough to finish number 10 from exercise. Number 10 from exercise. જલ્દી છે એક એવું કંઈ આમાં સ્પેશિયલ પેજ છે આના તો પછી નોટમાં એ જોઈને જોઈ જશે ડન યુનિટ ધ લગ ક્લિયર યુનિટ અરે યુનિટ પહેલા આન્સર પછી ચેક કરવાનો મને શું ખબર Okay, I like that you have drawn right. But you said that you think that so in this question we are given C and V. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so it would be best to do by which formula out of the three? Half CV square. Okay, in fact I think you are going to use half CV square the most number of times. Okay, half CV square will be used the maximum number of times. થઈ ગયું શું કરતો હતો અર્થાન રફમાં કેમ કરવું પડે આમાં જ કરાય ને સીધું બે વાર કરાય યુનિટ ડન મેં આને બંધ કરી દઈ